Taking exams for Math 113. If you go into Blackboard and click on the left side menu for Hawkes Learning and scroll down, for now it's in the due later, but if you're getting close it'll move into a closer column. But Math 113 Chapter 4 and 9 exam is here, and I will click on that. And I can see some test details. It does tell me there are prerequisites that have to be completed before I can take the exam. I can show prerequisites, and then I scroll down and it's showing me all the lessons that I have to have finished before I can take this exam. So some of them you can see are overdue, but I can still start them just by clicking right here, and it'll open up 4.1 rates and unit rates. I can do that for all of these. Once I have all of these prerequisite items done, then it will let me start my test, which will be right here. So you can see that I have 90 minutes allowed for this exam. The maximum points is 72. And you can start it anytime after the date showing here. You must be finished by this date and time, and you only get one attempt at this exam. So don't open this exam until you're sure you're ready to start it, and be ready, prepared for at least 90 minutes in case you need that long to complete the test. You work on your own paper. You're on your honor for chapter exams, unit exams in Math 113. And the best way for you to prepare for your final exam, which is proctored and you must pass to pass the class, so that's a lot that you have to understand to be able to pass that final. The best way you can prepare to do that is to take your chapter tests as though they were proctored, with no books or notes of any kind available and without using the internet to help you. I can't obviously see whether you're doing that or not, but I can tell when you take the final and you've passed all your chapter exams with really high scores, and then you take your final and you fail. I know you probably weren't doing your work throughout the semester. So be sure to do that for yourself, because you don't want to be scrambling to try to learn all this material at the end of the semester. That's why we have 16 weeks, so you can space it out and learn it at an easier pace. All right, there's my speech for you. So when you get ready to take this test, you do need to have a password, and the password is success. I'm going to see if I can write that somewhere for you. Notice that you have a capital S at the start. Here's how success is spelled, and you have an exclamation point at the end. That is your password for this exam. Good luck on this exam. There is a review that's available for you to work, as well as any of the lessons that you had trouble on. I recommend you go back and redo. Look over your wiki pages. They're going to help you a lot. And make sure you memorize how you will know which formula to use, because you can have a formula sheet available, but you are not allowed to have any notes that tell you which formula is the one for you.